Hi everyone, I'm Siuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to restrict someone on Instagram. Restricting someone gives you control over their interactions with your account without blocking them entirely. So, let's get started on how to restrict someone on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Open the profile of the user that you want to restrict. Now, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of your screen. From the menu that appears, tap on the Restrict option. A confirmation message will pop up asking if you really want to restrict the user. To proceed, tap on the Restrict option again to confirm your choice. And this is how you can restrict someone on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.